Tonight, the Trump administration defending its decision to deport a Maryland man. He is legally living in Prince George's County with his American wife and son.
Now, they acknowledge it was a mistake to deport him to a prison in El Salvador, but now saying they can't get him home, which has left the man's attorney and union co-workers in disbelief. DC News Now's Max Marcilla has more on what happened.
This is the Beltsville, Maryland neighborhood where Kilmar Abrego Garcia lived. He was nearby after just picking up his 5-year-old son from his grandmother's house a few weeks ago when ICE agents arrested him. And just days after that, the Trump administration says it mistakenly put him on a flight to El Salvador. Court filings say Abrego Garcia's wife saw photos of him inside this notorious prison in El Salvador, and she identified him through tattoos and 2 scars on his head. She's now suing the Trump administration.
This individual, who was deported to El Salvador and will not be returning to our country, was a member of the brutal and vicious MS-13 gang.
The administration is defending the removal, even though in a court filing it admits it did so through administrative error. An immigration judge previously ruled Abrego Garcia should not be removed to El Salvador. He had left the country because of gang violence and attempts on his life.
Guy who lives in my state, married to a U.S. citizen, with citizen children, he's stuck with the dictator of El Salvador.
As Abrego Garcia's attorneys work to bring him back, the Trump administration says the courts don't have the authority to do so since he's no longer in U.S. custody. His attorneys are also saying he has no ties to any gang, writing, "The U.S. government has never produced an iota of evidence to support this unfounded accusation."
Causing this kind of uncertainty is really bad for the community.
Abrego Garcia worked as a sheet metal apprentice and was a union member. His union's president condemned the deportation, writing in a statement, "Brother Kilmar was literally helping to build this great country. What did he get in return? Arrest and deportation to a nation whose prisons face outcry from human rights organizations." A hearing in Abrego Garcia's case is set for Friday at 1 p.m. Reporting in Beltsville, Max Marcilla, DC News Now.